barbecue fam. Today we're doing up an eye of round on the pellet smoker, and we're gonna slice it up for roast beef sandwiches. Check this out. So to prepare your eye of round, slice off any of the silver skin, and this one here is pretty much trimmed right up perfect. Took off a little bit more, and then I'm gonna hit it with some avocado oil, and that's gonna act as a binder for whatever rub you're gonna use. A good, awesome granulated salt, pepper, garlic. That's the way to go. I'm using Uncle Steve's cow shake on this one. Hit up all sides, let it set for 20 minutes before placing it onto the smoker. And we're going to be putting the ThermoWorks Smoke X4 probe inside and have another for the ambient temperature. But this Z-Grill 700D3, the PID controller, is pretty dead on. But sometimes you got some fluctuations, so it's always good to have an additional probe. So you're gonna get your pellet smoker up to 225. We're cooking this to about 125, 130 internal. Then we're gonna crank up that heat a little bit, about 300 degrees until you hit about 130, 135. We'll pull it and we'll let it rest for 20 minutes before slicing into it. So over a year ago, I bought this slicer. It's been sitting in my basement in a box. It's finally time to put it to use. Oh hell yeah. So our eye of round just hit 125. Let's take a look at it. I'm gonna probe it for temp just to make sure we were dead center when we put that probe inside. Oh yeah, 124. 122. 124. Okay. So at this point, whatever kind of grill you got, you can sear it. Or like I'm going to do on this pellet grills, you can boost up that temperature. We're using hickory pellets today, and I think this is going to come out amazing. Oh hell yeah. Oh, and juicy. Not too shabby for the first try. Oh yeah, I'm gonna clean this up and make a sandwich. Let's build this Sammy. Oh yeah. You get your roast beef down. Yeah, down, not on top. Some thinly sliced red onion. Oh yeah. Then that sauce we made. Just simple mayo and horseradish mustard with a little bit of the same rub you used for the eye of round. That all on there. Smash that guy. Bam. Look at that. So now it's time to dive in to this roast beef sandwich. Oh my. Smells amazing. Bottoms up. Oh yeah. Roast beef at home without standing in the line at the deli. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hands down a winner. That is awesome. This slicer was under 70 bucks. I bought it, like I said, a long time ago. It was over a year ago. But link down below if you want one of these guys. It worked decent. It's not as strong. My first job ever was Arby's. That thing was strong. But this guy here, you just gotta go a little slow on it. That's all. But it does the trick. It does what you need. It's amazing to have that option at home instead of going to the deli. Oh hell yeah, smash up that thumbs, you know it. So the eye of round that I had took about 2 hours, 225. That last 20 minutes, I bumped it up to 325. We only hit about 315 before I had to pull it. So the internal temp at the end was 135. Pulled it, let it rest for 20 minutes under some foil. Then we got to cutting. Barbecue fam, today we're doing up some roast beef sandwiches. So we're gonna smoke a ribeye on the pellet grill, and we're gonna get it up to 125. I don't think I like that one. Barbecue fam. Barbecue fam, today we're smoking up an eye of round on, yeah, didn't I say ribeye on the last one?